Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron 3501 P90F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Inspiron 3501 won't boot up, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty hard drive, loose connections, or even corrupted system files. If left unresolved, it can lead to data loss or even complete system failure, making timely repair crucial for your device's longevity. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a replacement hard drive if necessary, and a plastic spudger to help open the laptop safely. Ensure you have a clear workspace and the necessary tools at hand before starting. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over and remove the battery if it's detachable. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the hard drive. It will typically be housed in a bracket. Check for any loose connections or signs of damage. If the hard drive appears faulty, gently disconnect it by removing the screw securing it in place and pulling it out of its slot. Replace it with your new hard drive, ensuring that it fits snugly and reconnect it securely. Be mindful not to apply too much force when reconnecting cables, as this can damage delicate components. Once everything is back in place, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to check if it boots up successfully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly back up your data and consider running diagnostic checks on your hard drive periodically. Keeping your operating system updated can also help prevent boot issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.